Well, if you guys follow me on Facebook, you'll have seen a question a couple days ago, as of when I'm recording this. Long story short, I asked people if they thought it was a good idea if I went to Ikea, because I've never been to Ikea. So I'm going just to check it out and see what it's like. What else do I say about that? Alright, my question for the day is, would you rather have a Texas accent and live in New York City, or have a New York accent and live in Texas? It's starting to rain. We don't know where. Barf. Barf. Are you sure you don't want to record something?
No, it's okay.
Barf. 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 Barf.
Tiny little titties that are open for committees. Sitting here waiting for the light to turn green.
Tennis ball. 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 Mini. Hey, Eric. I found you a chair.
Oh, that's pretty furniture.
And then there's me.
A troll.
Anyway, we are here at Ikea. Ikea. Cake. Cake. Well, this is actually kind of interesting, seeing what's out there. Oh, sorry. Lions, tigers, pandas. What were you doing?
It smells like gummies.
Hey, 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 hey. I don't think that fan is quite big enough. Well, we just got out of Ikea. I was kind of hoping to get something, but nothing really caught my eye. So now what are we doing?
Food.
Food?
Oh shit. Not what I meant to do.
Are you having trouble?
You got enough room back there?
No. I got plenty of room though. Well, we just got out of Ikea. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but now we're going to pick up something to eat. Oh, we're still figuring out what we want to eat. But here we are. You know, before I met you, before I was homeless, I came here one day and I saw a couple of the people who played the Munchkins in the original Wizard of Oz. They had a booth set up. So we're at Mall of America in one of the food courts. What do you think? What do you say?
I say. Large.
Okay. Yep, that's everything. That looks good.
I need my float. I need my Sunday.
Yay.
But
Food. Food.
You can have the majority of this if you want.
Food. Thank you.
Huh? You're welcome.
So these guys almost ran into me and then are now recording me and staring at me.
Is the camera off? I'm feeling violated.
Yeah, you're feeling violated? Run away like a little bitch. Anyway, so the reason I was recording those guys is because it all started with one of them. I was walking to the bathroom and one of them almost runs into me from behind. And as he almost runs into me, he just goes, huh. Then was waiting outside the bathroom for me and started staring at me as I came out of the bathroom. And then all three of them come up and one of them starts taking my picture.
So it's just one endless loop of recording.
So then,
Everybody was recording.
so then all three of them took out their phones. I'm sure you saw that. And then he took out his phone.
Everybody started recording everybody.
And everybody started recording everyone. $50 for that. Ikea is not part of the mall.
Oh, where is it then?
It's outside the mall. So, what do you have to say?
It's whack.
Volcano. I think I need this. Hey, I only have one thing to say. Me, hi, Manoi. King of fucking everything.
Want to wait?
It's raining.
Because I want to wait. I'd like to wait.
Well, I just got home. I don't know if I'm going to be recording anything else tonight. It is 8:15 p.m. right now. Kind of rainy. I don't plan on going out again. I don't plan on doing anything. If I record something, then I record something. I was at Ikea in the Mall of America today, so I hope you enjoyed. If you made it this far, give me a like, subscribe, let me know your favorite part of the video. All that stuff. You know, I did think of something. I've had a couple of instances, one of them for sure was on one of my Minecraft live streams. But I've had a couple instances in the past where people have tried finding out what I do for a job. Now, how do I put this? What I do outside of YouTube is my own business. If I earn money outside of YouTube, that is my own business. Having said that, you're free to ask, but when it comes to what I put in my videos, what information I give you guys, it's all up to me. If I choose to tell you anything, that is not something that is any information about me, regardless of how personal it is. I am not required to give any of you information. Having said that, these are my videos. I am trying to make these as fun as possible for you guys. Just because I won't give you information about work or a job or, you know, another part of my life that I deem to be too personal, does not mean I won't give out information. I will give out information. I just prefer to keep certain things private. I've told you guys about a few of the jobs that I've worked at in the past, but when I've done that, I've had people come and harass me. I've had, you know, this, that, and the other. People have came into where I worked and harassed me. People have called where I worked and harassed me. People have, you know, whatever you want to call it. My job, whether or not I have one, is information that I keep to myself. My job is too personal for me to be giving out to you guys. How I earn money right now is too personal. If I start making money on YouTube, and I'm not saying I will, but if I do, then I'll let you guys know. But until then, my videos are my own. I can choose what I put in them. I'm still going to try and make them as entertaining as possible. I try to make them at least 10 minutes long. If I don't, I don't. But I try to make them at least 10 minutes long. I think my longest video is like an hour and 10 minutes or so, give or take. But generally all my videos are less than 20 minutes. So at most you're generally seeing about 20 minutes or less a day of my day, plus any other videos that I decide to record where I live. So I'm just letting you guys know. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. But keep in mind, if I feel like there's some information out there that, in my opinion, would be too private, I'm not going to put it out online for you. I've got my life to worry about. I've got, you know, this, that, the other. I've got stuff I need to worry about. Let's just say that. And if something impedes on my privacy, I'm just not going to share it. If I feel like it may or may not impede on my privacy, I'm not going to share it. If you ask a question, I will still respond. Even if it is like if it's a question about my job, I'll do my best to respond to that question. I may not give a direct answer. I may tell you that I'm not going to answer that question, but I will at least reply to the questions if I can. I hope you guys understand.